So you want to start with the smoked sausage. Peel off sections of it with your fingers. I saw this recipe the other day and I've really been wanting to try it. So I used about half of my sausage.
All right. Okay.
I'm gonna pour in some eggs.
Oh, some eggs, nice.
Yes. Next, we're going in with some ketchup. This is gonna give it flavor. Put a lot of ketchup because this is gonna work as the sauce for this meal. And a sprinkle of breadcrumbs.
Okay.
These are gluten-free breadcrumbs. They're a little bit crispier in my opinion. Okay. Next, we want to chop an onion. I'm using this fun machine. I'm gonna do half an onion. There's 1/4. Woo! It makes it so easy.
Nice.
And then just top it off with onions. That looks great. Perfect.
Sweet.
Next, we're gonna go in with our seasonings. This is everything but the bagel seasoning. Garlic. And peppercorns. The next step is to mix this all up. Next, before you bake it, you want to line it with butter. This is salted butter, and just cover the whole top. This is going to melt and make it beautiful and taste delicious.
Ooh.
Now we're going to put it into a 350 oven for like 30 minutes. Okay.
Oh man, look at that bad boy.
That looks awesome.
That looks so good.
Yeah, that was so easy. And this has extra protein. Okay, I'm gonna cut it.
Yeah, I want to see that cross section.
Let's get some food.
Oh.
Whoa.
Yes.
All right.
Ooh, look at that big old piece of sausage in there.
I know, right? It's gonna be so delicious.
And you just eat it like that?
I serve it with ketchup on top.
Okay.
Just drown it in ketchup for the most flavor.
Oh. Man, this smells so good.
Let me try it. Ooh, I got an eggy bite. Mmm. Mm-hmm. You guys gotta try this. Okay.
Oh, this smells so good.
It's been about 30 minutes.
Look at that.
Yes, there we go.
Oh my goodness. This thing is gorgeous.
And just flip it over.